kind of wish your GoPro neck wasn't so broke. It just kind of flops.
Robert's giving it whiplash.
If I let go, it's just gonna fall. I'm gonna give people motion sickness, just like that. I feel like I should pull a David Attenborough and narrate this like
Are they supposed to be
History
tightened?
Channel.
They're just kind of loose.
It does not say.
Oh, that's just lovely.
It just shows you putting them on there, making sure it's squared up evenly.
Okay, I need something to make sure it's squared up evenly.
I can give you a toilet.
No, I need like a...
I can give you a tape measure.
Yeah, I just need something to make sure that they are directly across from each other instead of just my eyeballs. Half on that side. Touch the wall. That is 11.5 on that side. Measure twice, cut once. That looks about right. This one looks crooked, but I can't help that. This is, on that side, 11.5. And on that side, 11.5.
You know, you said measure twice, cut once. You got a funny way of counting the two.
You know, I'd rather measure 4 times and make sure that it's right than have to lift up this heavy toilet 13 dozen times. Because this toilet weighs 105 pounds.
Oh yeah, this one that I've been using as a seat weighs like not that much.
Next step says get the wax ring.
It's not 105 pounds.
Get the wax ring. This is lined up before we do that.
What?
Do we want to make sure that it lines up?
Oh, yes, we do. Yes, we do.
Are you gonna move this?
Yes, we are. Dirty screwdriver out of the way.
The greatest of all camera angles, your arm.
My arm. Yeah, it's better than my booty.
That's true.
Okay. Now all I know to do is to pick it up and set it down on there.
Yeah.
Because it's got to go on this. Yes. Oh gosh.
Okay, free. I'm good.
I'm good.
Are you good?
I think so.
Oh. Yep.
That's the way it goes, just like that. Now we got to get the wax ring put on there and do that again.
Yay!
Oh, but it fits. Thank you, Jesus. Careful. Pull here to remove. Okay, so this goes up onto that piece down there. And then gotta pull it off. Squish. Wonderful.
What?
Alright.
Give it a little
even
time.
on there.
I mean, from what I can see.
Alright. Let's go away to fix it now.
By
Yes.
golly, I think I did pretty good.
Good.
In my unprofessional opinion.
Unprofessional opinion. We did. Alright, let's get this bad boy up. Don't touch the wax to the floor.
Oh, it's harder to see the screws now.
Mm-hmm.
There they go. There it is. Okay, I see mine. You got yours?
Yes.
Oh, hold it. Back up. There we go. You want it? You want it?
I'm on it.
I'm in the middle. Are you in the middle?
No, I don't know. Sure. There, now I'm in the middle. Okay. All right, now we have to sit on it, yes?
Sit on it to
To squish the...
squish the wax
Lie
down.
weight evenly. Do not move after placement.
I'm trying.
Do not move after placement.
And then these little dudes go on over those screws. Where do these go in? I don't know, George.
I don't know.
You go next. Okay, your turn, Hope.
Is it?
Yep. Well, I do way more.
I didn't know that a bit of that was readable because that font is so tiny. It's just got a shadow of camera over it. Just
So these go this way or this way?
here, you inspect. There's your newspaper. This is a cartoon now.
This way. And then these go over that.
We made a mess. I'm stepping in water too. We made a very large mess. Kind of regretting the socks.
Push the button.
I can't see it.
I'm sure this is the technically correct way to do this. Smack it.
I can't see it. I can't tell if it's...
This thing's kind of heavy.
Right.
You sounded like Aaron just then.
Sounded like who?
Aaron.
Aaron.
I see why you have to put it on this part first.
Because it's heavy.
It has nothing to do with how heavy it is.
Having a
It
good
is the
time?
awkwardness. Okay.
You get your
Go
weight
ahead.
training. in
We're
here.
on there.
I'm getting the.
We're on there. Oh, I'm stepping in your dirt pile.
Oh, it's lovely. Oh gosh, I can't see a dead burn thing on here.
I don't have a flashlight on my person exactly,
I can't see. Hope I don't know.
or a mirror to hold
See
down
that?
there so you have a weird angle.
Okay, I feel that screw. Hold on. I feel that screw. Yeah.
I got it?
Yeah.
The first time?
Yeah.
Wow.
Don't ask questions. Just go with it.
Whoa.
Don't look a gift horse in the mouth,
Exactly.
or a gift toilet tank in the screws.
What?
I don't know.
Yeah, okay.
Don't question my metaphors.
Twist down in there more.
Yeah. Is there a tool for this?
No. You gotta reach down in there to do that. But I gotta reach up to the bottom of this.
I'm just gonna push them through. There you go. Now, are you sure that's sitting on there right? Yes. Okay. It's just. I thought it would be seated better. Well,
That's the purpose of tightening them, I would assume.
yes.
Never thought I'd be hugging a toilet.
Not on that side, anyway.
Oy.
Ah, yes, the action shot.
The armpit.
The elbow,
Oh,
the
the
armpit, and the side of your head.
the sound. I dropped my tube, which was useless anyway. Ah, by George, it's staying. Okay. I need it back. Okay. Okay.
And we trade spots. You have to hug the other side of the toilet.
Okay. And then pieces.
What these pieces? There you go.
Okay. I better not ruin a second shirt today.
Well, maybe not. Watch the paint. Watch the paint.
Yeah, okay. My head's going back there.
Well, I'm worried about your head. Your hair will wash.
Scarlet flushed the toilet in your bathroom.
Holy cow.
Scared the crap out of me.
Generally, you don't want to be on the floor beside the toilet
No,
when
when
it
it's
scares the
not
crap out
when
of
it's
you.
doing that.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, watch the paint.
It was my brother.
Okay.
We had to go.
Oh, I just rubbed my hair all down it.
Well, luckily the shower works.
It's trying to cut my nipple off.
No toilets. The old toilet was brand new. Toilet out and there.
I don't have as much room over here.
Two.
Are you a little cramped?
It's a very
I don't like it.
Oh.
Whatever, whoever this is, get off me.
There's twice as much people in here than there was.
Well, I'm gonna need y'all to get out because it just got like 20 degrees hotter.
Mm-hmm.
Are you pushing down?
30, actually. Look, it's
I don't know how far.
right here. Well,
Because I can hear that little piece clicking.